Opposites. Okay. Opposite. Okay. What is the opposite of short? Stop. Chris, stop. What is the opposite of short? They. Old.
Young.
Big.
Small.
Slow.
Kaayawan.
Slow.
Fast.
Front.
Think.
Front.
Back.
Empty.
Full.
Left.
Right.
Right. Very good. Left.
Ha! Patingin!
Right.
Yung may kumakanta na.
Opposite ng dirty.
May kumakanta ako doon.
Opposite nga ng dirty.